Simon asks what the winter weather is doing to the range on my bike, because in his EV he's noticing a drop of about a quarter in his range in the winter months. And there's two things happening with Simon's car. One is that he is using the power in the battery to preheat the car, or to create some warmth in the car. That costs electricity, so that impacts his range. But more relevant to a bike, because I don't have heated seats or heated handlebars on my bike, that would be nice, wouldn't it? Is the idea that lithium-ion batteries, which is the predominant chemistry for batteries for EVs and bikes, they don't do well in cold weather. First thing to say is that you should never charge your e-bike's battery when it's below freezing. To be clear, if the battery's inside and it's warm and it's freezing outside, that's fine. But you should never be charging your battery when it's in a location which is below freezing, because that's very bad for the chemistry and you'll damage the longevity of your battery. But even so, even so, cold weather will impact your range. Now, I will say that I can't quantify the range depletion I get in cold weather, because I don't particularly keep a note of it. What I will say is that I notice every winter when it comes round and the weather starts to get colder, that I do charge my battery a little more frequently than when it is summer. So the cold weather definitely does impact on how many miles you can get out of a full charge in a battery. But unless you're doing long journeys in a single charge, I don't think you really notice it. I think it just becomes part of the routine of charging the battery. But if you've got data that's harder than my rough approximations, drop it in replies and comments, and let's see what people's experiences are.